No, I'm joking. Hi everybody, I'm Carolyn from Norcross, Madagascar, and this is day 10 of the 12 days of our Crystal Christmas. Thank you so much for joining us. I truly appreciate it. Today, one of the coolest little gift ideas. I do understand that we're getting really close to the cutoff, but this is something that is really versatile, a really cool present, and one of the lowest priced products we have. We are specially pricing them now through, usually we do it through the end of the Tucson Gem Show. There are 2 Tucson Gem Shows now in January and in April. So I do know through at least mid-February, the prices that I tell you will be effective for these, which is $5 to $8 for them, and the Apatite, Amazonite, and Amethyst are $2 more, so they are $7 and $10. So the difference is the rough and the polished pieces. And these are our keychains, and they're so cool. Usually I go straight for the labradorite, but this guy I found and fell in love with. This is the coolest piece of fire quartz, and I'm gonna kinda hold it in front of the table. I'm not sure if you can see the stripes in this, the lines in this piece of fire quartz. And I'm sorry, Greg, I'm gonna move it everywhere trying to get better light and totally mess you up, but that's what I like doing. But this piece of fire quartz is so cool. This is obviously a rough piece. And then if we wanna kind of go over here with the rough pieces, we have a really cool indigo gabbro right here. We've got a really cool, this is a gorgeous Amazonite. This Amazonite is absolutely gorgeous. And then that crazy gorgeous fire quartz. And then we have, once again, one of my favorite stones. It's you know, something I didn't pay a lot of attention to, but now this yellow jasper with the different colors in it is really, it's like the chestnut jasper, kind of like a sleeper stone, and I love the patterning in it. So that's a really cool yellow jasper, a gorgeous apatite, and once again, the other sleeper stone, really cool chestnut jasper. And these are really great keychains. And I will tell you that they're not only keychains. I personally, if you ever come to my house, I have an English bulldog that I absolutely adore. Her name is Chunk, and she has a really pretty rose quartz one on her collar. So they're not only keychains. You can use these for kind of anything you want. And they are part of our multi-fit line. So if you want this top, but perhaps you want a bottle stopper, you can unscrew it, as I totally screw up everything for Greg. Put that down, and then it can become a bottle stopper. So you can get kind of 2 for the price of 1 if you want to switch and decide, okay, you know what, I bought the apatite and I bought the yellow jasper, and I really want, you know, I mean, they have those blue lines now, so maybe you want a blue bottle stopper on it and it's been your keychain. Well, then you just switch them. You can do that. That's one thing that's really cool about having them interchange. So we do have magnets, we have lamp finials, and we have the bottle stoppers and the keychains. So back to the keychains on all of these. Whoops, now I gotta do this because I screwed everything up. Why not? We do have them in all of our stones, and we do have them in the polished and the rough. We've got another fire quartz here. One of the cool things about these stones is, here's, you know, the 2 examples of the fire quartz, and you can see, I mean, this is the same stone, but the complete difference in this has the true deep dark burgundy, and this has the more reddish orange in it. It's more of a muted versus the well-defined lines. So this is one of the true beauties of the stones. You just really never know. I mean, you know, just a different part of the mine, a different part of the earth, and the stone completely changes. And these are formed with iron, I believe, that is running through the crystals as they're forming and growing, and that's what causes these inclusions, which is really cool. We've got this labradorite, which is kind of just a solid crystal, and I'm hoping you're catching the flash on this. Oh, right there. That is so pretty. At least I'm seeing it. Kind of hope you are. And then on the back, we're seeing it as well. So we've got that one, and oh wow, the blue on this one. I don't know, Greg, am I getting this?
No, not in the camera.
I think we might have a little bit too much light, because I'm seeing, or maybe if you look at it this way, if I can.
Well, that's the one that we had in our preview.
Yeah,
that looks
this
really
is
good.
Absolutely stunningly gorgeous. So, oh, right there, maybe. Anyways, I'm not going to take a whole bunch of time. They really do have gorgeous flash. You guys know us, you know our labradorite. It's not dead. This is flashy stuff. We have 2 examples of the really pretty amethyst for you. We've got the rough piece and the polished piece. And it's just, you know, kind of, I love the natural beauty of the rough stones. I'm going to try to not cover them. And, you know, some people like the polished, it's a little bit smoother. And you can, I know personally, I have a keychain and I have a polished one on it that I kind of, you know, when I'm sitting, it's like I use it as a worry stone. I have stones in my car, in my house, in my pocket any given day. So it's kind of, you know, I mean, you can use it. And one thing I really do like about being able to interchange is, you know, if you're working with the metaphysical aspects of these stones, if you need something that's going to bring you perseverance, if you need something that's going to bring you clarity, if you need something that's going to bring you centering and focusing, or whatever you're looking for, you can change them out. And, you know, without having to, you know, changing your keychain is a pain in the butt. I have about 30 keys on mine and 7 different loops. So being able to just say, okay, I'm going to screw this one off, screw the new one on, and being able to go with the stone that suits my intentions for the day, that kind of works really, really well. I love this agate piece. This has got some really amazing banding in it. It's so pretty. And then the back side has where the earth kind of heated it a little more. It's almost going into the carnelian, like the yellowy aspect of it. So it's one of the great things about these stones. Even with these little pieces, you can see the great, you know, the differences in the stones. This another time, you know, with the yellow jasper, and then I'm hoping the camera is catching the druze on this. It's got that crystal formation in it, which when I said with this yellow jasper, I really loved that it had the crystals in it. This one actually has the druze in it, and you can see all those crystals in it, and it's shiny and so pretty. And then the last piece I'll show you today is really cute. I mean, I'm always going to be a fan of the pink and black. My car's painted pink and black. I love those colors. So this one here with that really pink rhodonite in the crystal and matrix stone, it's so gorgeous. And once again, I've destroyed Greg's entire lineup here so I can kind of group them all together so he can get sort of a spread so you can see all of them together. But these, I mean, $5 to $10, and you can take home one of these amazing little things. Really a cool gift. It's a great conversation starter. I mean, you know, people carry crystals and everything, but this is a really easy way to get them as well. So it's a great present, something for yourself. You can interchange them with the bottle stoppers, the finials, or anything else. So really, really versatile for a really great price. If you want to see more, if you want to order some, give us a call, 520-882-8884, or shoot us an email at sales@madagascarminerals.com. Today is Tuesday. We will be in the office tomorrow, Wednesday the 23rd, but we are closed Thursday the 24th and Friday the 25th for the Christmas holiday. So if you do want to reach us, you can do so today or tomorrow the 23rd. We are closed Thursday and Friday. If you have any questions, shoot us an email, give us a call, message us here on Instagram or on Facebook. We'll be more than happy to talk to you, send you pictures, answer any questions. Thank you so much for joining us on day 10 of the 12 days of Christmas, and we will see you tomorrow. Thank you.